So we've seen how in views, how if we use the fields display, we can list fields and rearrange fields in a particular way and set specific aspects of their formatting. That's great, but if we wanted to create a new view that included that same layout of fields and formatting, we'd have to duplicate all of that work in order to recreate it. Plus, if we decided we wanted to change some aspect of both of the displays, we'd have to independently adjust them. So there are certain cases where we want to create a way to display content and reuse that in multiple places. When we have a situation like that, then a view mode is the solution that we want. Now we can adjust these core view modes, but sometimes we don't know exactly what that's going to affect. So sometimes we'll want to create our own view mode. We can do that by going to Structure, Display Modes, and View Modes. So you can see the types of content here. We can add a new view mode. Let's say we want it for a blog content type, so we should select Content. Let's name this Delete Me, since we're just testing this out. And now if we go back to Manage Display for our blog entry, and we scroll down to Custom Display Settings, we'll see our Delete Me option here. We can check it and manage how the fields display for this view mode. Right now, this view mode won't be used anywhere, but we can select it in Views. When we filled out the Views wizard form, we selected Teasers as the display type, right here. If we click this, we can select a new view mode, including Delete Me. So particularly if you want to adjust a view mode and you don't want to affect any other place where that view mode is being used in Drupal core, then you want to create a new view mode and set up your display in that. In this case though, Teaser exactly describes what we have in our wireframe. Chances are that every time we want a compressed version of our blog entries to display, we'll want it to look something like this. So we'll modify the teaser option instead of using our custom view mode. I'm going to exit out of this overlay. And then I'm going to go back and delete the custom view mode. So we'll go to Structure, Display Modes, View Modes, and we'll remove the Delete Me mode.